Right, so that is everything you get in the box. You get instructions, you get the watch with a strap already attached to it. You actually get a couple of spare pins, and that is for the strap. So if one of them should break, you've got some spare ones, which is unusual. And you get a charger or USB cable charger with a magnetic charger for the back. Where's that go? Goes somewhere. Oh, it goes there. It'll only go on one way. It won't go on that way. It'll fight it. It goes on that way. Yeah, and obviously you plug that into a USB powered device like your phone or something like that for charging it up. Let me peel this off. Now in the picture it actually shows a pink strap. Well, this one's black. It does come in two different flavours. So the black one is says for men, and the pink one says for women. So it should be suitable for everyone because they should be the same size. And first impressions, nice and big actually, bigger than I thought it was going to be. And looking at that, it's going to fit me nice and comfortably, as you can see. Yeah, very nice. Nice rubbery strap, rubbery feel, plastic rubbery sort of feel. I do like the smell of this. Let me have a little sniff. Oh, it hasn't got much of a smell actually, but not bad, not bad. There's a lot of pull off on the back as well. See that? It's quite chunky as well. I don't know if you can see the thickness of that baby. Yeah, quite chunky. So what I'm going to do now, because it needs charging up, is I'm going to charge it up. She's fully charged up and raring to go. Now, I've had a quick read of the instructions. It comes with a Q code for downloading the app. Also, when you turn on the phone, you get another Q code on there. So I'm going to try that one. No, remind me later. Let's see what that does. Browse website. Let's go to browse website. I think you can see that. Right, takes you to the App Store, Google Play, Android APK. So we're going to go to the Google Play, because I feel safer with that one. And plus it's an Android phone anyway. So all you need to do is download the app like we're doing right now. Do no thank you, blah blah blah. Wait till it's downloaded. It shouldn't take too long. And it's called OnWear Pro. Okay, something to bear in mind in case you're unsure. Allow while using the app, blah blah blah. United Kingdom, choose region, we're in the UK. Keep fit, more sports modes. Right, yeah, something I wanted to read out to you or go through is some of the functionality, which I thought was quite good actually. So we have sports data, which is standard nowadays, information, dialing, weather. Again, you get that on quite a few of them. Frequently used contacts. Now that's a new one on me. So basically, say for instance you're phoning your mum or your dad or your brother and sister, whatever, or your children, depending on your age, it will put in a frequently used contacts, which I thought was good. Language assist, another good little feature. Alarm clock, again, it's all standard. Heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep monitoring, sports mode, breathing exercises, women's health. Yeah, women's health, that's what that said. Stopwatch, music, and dial switching. Timer, switch the device, restoring the factory. Basically going back to factory defaults. I thought that's quite good. So what's going on here? What's going on? Keep fit, more sports modes. Now, is it because, I need to scroll like that, custom dialing, choose from 100 plus watch faces. 100 plus watch faces. Now that's the first for me on my channel. Normally you get about 8 to 20, something like that, about 100. Since yesterday, yeah, it's actually a day later now, I've charged up the actual watch itself yesterday. I installed the software. I didn't put all my details in there like weight, height and all that stuff because we're just doing a review on it, and it's got some good little functionality on this watch and on the actual app itself, which I'm going to go through in a second. So yeah, since yesterday I've done all that. I've been out walking with it and gave a good accurate reading, as best of what I can work out anyway. I've actually made a phone call to my wife using the actual touch button, and I'm going to show you that right now. I'm going to use the dial. I will block this bit out, okay, just because I don't want you to know my phone number. Oh, and it works. Wonder if she'll answer.
Hello?
Hello, just trying out my watch.
Oh, right.
You can actually dial on it as well.
I'll go with that.
Yeah? Am I nice? Am I nice and clear?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, you can go now.
All right. Bye.
Bye. And that was all yesterday, and yeah, it works really well. Quite impressed with it. I'm quite impressed with the actual watch itself, what it can actually do, and also the app that you can download. Quite easy to do, like I showed you earlier. So let's go through some of the functionality of this. Oh, by the way, I've already changed the face of it as well. So it's like any other smartwatch. You can scroll left, right, and up and down. So if you scroll right to left, right to left, it will show you heart rate, and you've got a plus button. If you click on that, you've got some other functionalities there. But if you want to go back to the main thing again, just press the button on the right, scroll down, again, more functionality, and scroll up. No messages. No one loves me. And scroll left to right, get back to there again, scroll again, and you get half a functionality here, which I thought, that's quite good. Now, see the little dots? That is for making a phone call if you want to do it manually. So you click on that, like I showed you in the other bit of video. You can just type in the number or dial in the number, depends how you want to say it. Now, to get back to the main one again, is just by clicking that. Now, if you want to go and change any of your settings, there are a few options, and I'm going to show you the best way. So you've got sleep, active, music, weather, workout. These are all active, but you like this. Well, I liked it anyway. So hopefully you'll like it. So if I click on here while it's up, you've got this scroll menu here. Start from the top. Now for dialing, it's that one. Yeah, dialing. Get out of there. Again, press that again. We have call record, so you can record phone conversation. Contact person, activate data, workout records, heart rate. I've done no workouts, all right. I'll be fair. I haven't done any. Heart rate, sleep. I've done no sleep. I don't wear a watch in bed. I don't. SpO2. I think that's something to do with. I might be wrong here because I haven't really looked into it. One. How much oxygen's in your blood? I think. Oh, it's gone off. Messages, obviously messages, weather, female health, music. Now, your music does work, and it works extremely well. You have to be on your phone, and you must have music up. And what it does, it plays and pauses forwards and backs and turns volume up and down. Oh yeah, and it's actually got a speaker in there as well, which I thought, well, that's quite good. Get back to where we was. So music, meditation, don't know, not tried it. Stopwatch, again, not tried it. Timer, it should just work, shouldn't it really? Alarm clock, again, it should just work. And camera. Now the camera, it works really well. Again, let's activate my phone. So I'm on the actual app at the moment. So if I go for camera, it flicks over to the camera, yeah, ready to be used. And it's blank because it's, pointing at the ground or the desk. If I press that button, it does a timer and then takes a picture. Which I thought, that's quite good. Easy to use. Let's go back again. So, yeah, camera, find my phone. Basically, it makes your phone vibrate or ring. And then settings. Now, if you go into settings, you've got menu style, watch faces, and brightness. So you can actually change your watch faces, but you can only download one at a time. You can't download more than one. So if you downloaded one already and you want to download another one, it will delete the one you downloaded and replace it with that other one. So it has some built-in ones, of course. Hopefully you can see that. Let me go back. Settings, watch faces. So I've got that one, got that one, that one, that one, that one, and back to that one. Now, oh, Alexa just popped up for no reason. I don't know why she popped up. I didn't even say her name, did I? Anyway, so say for instance you want to change the face. So what you need to do is go to dial center, this baby here, click on the arrow, and it will give you quite a nice little list, and they scroll from left to right. See that? And then up and down. So say for instance, I don't know, say for instance I want that one. So click on that, sync dial. Now it does take a little bit of time. So, you might have to wait half a minute or something like that for it to actually do it. Just be patient. Right, that is done. That is it. That is installed. So that is actually there, as you can see. Like I said, quite easy to do. But there is quite a lot of options there as well. You can actually make your own according to this. Not sure how that works, but I'm not going to try it neither. Digital. Yeah, when it said 100, I thought, yeah, all right. But it does look like there is about 100 there, or even more. And it's quite a big choice. I'm quite impressed with that. Now, something else I liked about this, it comes up with little quotes. It did. It come up with a little quote earlier on today when I turned it on and thought, oh, that's quite good. And also, it comes up with things like, you should do exercising and stuff like that. It's actually set for 8,000 steps. I would recommend you change that to about 10,000 steps because I know that I do roughly 10,000 at least per day on steps. Oh yeah, let me just show you one more thing before we call it a day, and that will be music. Because I'm sure there'll be someone out there and say, yeah, how does the music work? And the music works quite easily. So music, now I need to get the music up first. Now these are copyright free music for obvious reasons, well, so I don't get it with a copyright. Now, pause or play. Yeah. Next song. Volume adjust. Pause. Yeah, it works really well. Well, I think it does anyway. I'm pleased with it. So that is it. Like I said, my impressions of it is, well, I think it's excellent. I think it's well made, well thought out, and it just works. It's really good. Quite impressed myself. And I've lost 3 calories. I've done 98 steps. I've only been round the house. So it definitely gets my thumbs up. If you're thinking about buying a watch, a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. This might be the one for you, whether you're male or female. You can get pink or black, and yeah, comes with everything you need to get going, including an easy Q code for installation. So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.